Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. I hope you are always healthy. In this video, we're gonna talk about DC motor controller based on ESP8266 and BLYNK apps, which is programmed through the Arduino IDE. Watch the video till the end. Okay, let's see the diagram here. Firstly, connect pin D5 of ESP8266 to pin 1 of L293D. Secondly, connect pin D6 of ESP8266 with pin 2 of L293D. Thirdly, connect pin D7 of ESP8266 with pin 7 of L293D. Fourthly, connect pin 3 and pin 6 of L293D with mini DC motors. Fifthly, connect pin VIN or V input of ESP8266 with pin 8 and 16 of L293D. And the last steps, connect pin G and D of ESP8266 with pin 5 and 12 of L293D. Is that simple way to connect ESP8266 with L293D and 5V of DC motor. Open the BLYNK apps and then create a new project called DC motor controller. And select Node MCU on the port menu. The token or authentication number are automatically sent to your email. This project requires 2 buttons and single slider to control the rotation and speed of the DC motor. The first button set to D6, which functions to control the clockwise rotation. The second button set to D7, which functions to control the counterclockwise rotation. And the slider set to D5, which function to control the speed of DC motor. Don't forget to open your email to get token or authentication number. Open the Arduino IDE. Make sure that ESP8266 and BLYNK library has been installed. Please change the authentication number from BLYNK apps. Change the SSID and password too. After that, upload this code into ESP8266 like this. Don't forget to subscribe, share and like this video. Thank you for watching.